What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about NKN today. I don't even know what this thing is. I just know that it was a request from the live stream that we did, and I meant to put it in the live stream leftovers video last night, but I didn't. So it's getting its own video in response to that, to make sure that we were actually making sure that the request is being not just fulfilled but being seen by the requesters. So hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. $29.1 million in market cap. Volume is $7.3 million. That's good volume in a 24-hour basis when you're being boring and just moving sideways since April 20th. You literally haven't done anything with yourself in a month. Moving sideways, great volume. Great volume. This is a really good look. I like this move up. I like this. This looks like a bull flag and a half. You've got ascending lows, a flat top that's like an ascending triangle in itself. You will break out and you will see higher prices. Absolutely. You can tell because you're getting lower lows in your daily RSI here. You're cooling off in the RSI, but you're providing higher lows in the price. You're showing weaker indications in the indicator, yet stronger indications in the price, which actually matters, right? It's like saying you're trying harder to move down and you're getting less down results. It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing, right? This is a very bullish environment to be in, especially when coupled with this massive move up and then just this consolidation phase here. It looks perfect. How much was this overall from a low to a high? You got a low market cap, so I'm assuming we're going to get some big numbers here. Let's see. Not crazy big, but still a lot more than the average coin, that's for sure. 273% essentially. Not bad. And overall, you're up right now 120%, 130%. Nice. Nice. Yes, you're at a good area to bounce. I think that you will bounce. Being that it's the weekend, it is Saturday. Here we got 8 hours left in the day, and then tomorrow's Sunday. Don't expect anything like right now, today or tomorrow, but over the coming days, over the coming week, yeah, I would think that next week, starting on the 19th there or further out, we will break out and see higher prices. I think that this next week will be your week, man. I think it's going to be the week for a lot of coins. If we're looking at this on a weekly basis, yeah, you've dropped right through the floor, haven't you? April 2021, that was your bull market high, and you've just been in a bear market ever since. You haven't even been a part of this bull market yet, but I think you might start to see some life. We'll see. What I will say and what I don't like is that you've come down, you've found resistance at prior support here. This in itself does not look good, but the fact that you have historical references to base off of, I'm a little bit optimistic that you can recover. As far as do you see new all-time highs by the end of this cycle? I don't know. I mean, in all honesty, from this exact same price, you moved all the way up to your all-time highs, which would be about a 40x from here. You did that in a very, very short amount of time. I mean, it's not that you can't move up there. You can. It's just why do you suck so much? Why are you down here? Why are you not building? Why do you look the exact opposite of what a bull market is, right? Most cryptos have been in a bull market since the end of 2022 or early 2023. Why are you seeing lower lows, dramatically lower lows, I might add? That's a little bit concerning. I do believe everything that I said initially. I do believe that you break out and you see higher prices, but will that just be a lower high in the series of lower highs that you've really been forming since April? It might be. So not financial advice, not a financial advisor. While it might be exciting, you're here at 3.7 cents and you might move up to about 9 cents or so. I don't like the long-term aspects of this thing. I don't know enough. I really genuinely don't know enough about this coin from the fundamental perspectives to have an opinion on it. It does look like you found support at a good area. You had some massive support there, but maybe it's just because you're dramatically oversold. I don't know. And you were dramatically oversold. That's for damn sure. I would think you do break out from here, but after that, it's hard to say. There's a suspicion in me that says you will not see new all-time highs this cycle. I'm just going to say that outright. 10 cents. You're at 3.7 cents now. This is a bull flag pattern. Bullish patterns are less reliable when you're in a downtrend. You are in a downtrend. Even if they are reliable and they perform as expected, they might perform under the expectation. If this goes all the way up to 10 cents, it's the measure move, almost 11 cents. You don't have to hit it. You can fall short of it. You can exceed it. And in bearish environments, you would expect to fall short of it. So maybe you do fall short of it and see a 9-cent price. I'm just saying. From a high to a low, I mean, the expectation here would be, off the measure move would take you up to 11 cents, but I don't think you stop there. I think you stop at 8.1 to 9.7 cents. So I do think that you stop a little bit below this. If that's true, if you do, then this thing is exactly what I've been saying it is, which is essentially a dead coin. Unfortunately, it might just be a dead coin. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I don't know. Anything can happen. And again, it did not take much time for you to rip all the way up to your all-time highs last time. Who's to say you can't be at new all-time highs by the end of the cycle? And you're at such a low market cap that 29 million. If you were to do 100x, that's a 29. Or no, that'd be a $2.9 billion market cap. That's not that hard to achieve. But it is hard to achieve if you're a coin that has nothing going for you. But I don't know. You got some good volume. I'll say that much. You do have some good volume. Maybe there's more than meets the eye with this thing. Maybe something happened that I'm just unaware of. Do your own research, because low cap coins like this on a serious discount, this is where the money's made. It really is where the money's made. But can it recover? Can it see higher highs relative to this? Like at this point, being at 3.7 cents. Let's see real quick. Hold on. Do some quick math. 6x. 6 times 30. What, that's 18, 180, right? 180 million. I'm pretty sure. I would rather buy this thing at $180 million market cap and be confident then that it is recovering than buying here. It's too risky down here. But not financial advice, not a financial advisor. That's just my opinions. And who knows? By that time, maybe it's not even there for a moment. It's just ripping all the way up. This thing could be the best thing since sliced bread, but I'm staying out of it. Nonetheless, being here at 3.7 cents, I have a very fairly easy time being confident in the idea that you do move up to prices around 9 cents or above. Much past that I can't see. So I'm just going to end the video there. I got nothing else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Daily RSI looks great. Short term, you look great. Long term, you suck. All right. Bye-bye.